Assalamu alaikum everyone. I hope all you will fine. So this is my first project from the Gate OIO. Today Gate will give me a project Candy Drop 73 third Candy Drop X Forest protocol forest rate to share 1.200.00 forest. 2025-91 UTC Candy Drop Gate Gate Candy airdrop platform when users complete tasks to earn candies and share token airdrop. We are excited to launch the forest token airdrop event where you can complete the following tasks to earn candies and share a total prize pool of 1.200.00 forest with a maximum individual share of 5.000. Forest details are as follows. uh, Spot trading pool 1.200 of forest per person airdrop calculation with a maximum individual share of 5.00 forest details. Airdrop calculation formula individual candy amount, total candies of all users, and price pool. Event period September 1, 2025 and 13 September and September 8. Welcome Crypto Champion, welcome Ijaz Khan, welcome Abdullah, welcome VIP. Thank you for joining my live stream. Thank you Crypto Champion for the beautiful gift. Thank you so much. Now we discuss the Forest protocol is Launchpad and AMM, enabling creators to launch playable tokens instantly, deployable mini app with built flywheels. Thank you all of you for joining my live stream. 1.200.00 total bonus fund and 9.814 participants. Events and after open registration 2025 9/1/18 and best of luck to your first project. Thank you Crypto Champion for your support and love. Thank you so much. And event has ended 2025 9/18. Airdrop 2025 and 9/26/18. Complete the mission to share the total prize pool of 1.200.00 forest. Welcome Danbat, welcome Philalos. Thank you so much for joining my live stream. 1.200 forest tokens and 5.00 personal sharing limits. Next gen traders, welcome on my live stream. Share estimate, complete mission and share rewards. Login and join. Complete the mission and share rewards and complete the mission 2025 9/18. Welcome MD Arif on my live stream. Cap 1 for a spot trading task 500 USDT and cap 2 for a spot trading task 1.00 USDT and cap 3 for a spot trading task 3.000 USDT and cap for a spot trading 7.00 USDT. Get up to 5.00 for us. Rewards will be given on 2025 9/16/18. Actual arrival time is preferred. Rules of operation. During the event, users achieving 500 USDT for a spot trading volumes, sum of opening closing positions, and can uh, earn up to 17 candies from the 1.200 Forest reward pool. Thank you. Next in trade. Welcome MD Arif. Welcome Dark White. Now we discuss the FAQ. We have two FAQ. First we have what are the requirements participate in Candy Drop. Users participating in Candy Drop are required to complete identity verification and click the join button and event page. Welcome Kaya on my live stream. Only after successfully joining will their activity data be counted. Market makers, enterprise and institutions are not eligible to participate in this event. Number 2. Candy will be distributed within 1 to 3 hours after users complete task. Please log in and check the candies obtained from the candy drop after 3 hours. Now we discuss the terms and conditions. Participants must click the button on the event page after successfully joining the event, complete the event task and identity verification to receive the rewards. Number 2. Reward will be distributed within 14 business days after the event concludes. Welcome Moaz on my live stream. Thank you so much. And welcome Get User, welcome Kaya. Number 4. Market makers, businesses and institutions are not eligible for this event. Affiliate account cannot join referral activities but can participate in all other events without restrictions. In case of descriptions between translated and English, the English variants of shall prevail. Get reserve the final right of interpretations of this event. Welcome Get users, thank you so much for joining my live stream. Star, welcome Star on my live stream. Welcome Shuhangi. Number 8. Users from restricted regions will be unable to use all of part services. Welcome Vani, welcome Com, welcome MD Khairul 36. Users from restricted regions will be unable to see all of the services including participation in the event, games or contests. For detailed information regarding restricted regions, please refer to the user agreement. Risk warning. Users must bear in the mind that cryptocurrency trading is affected by multiple factors such as market makers and regulatory policies. Market prices are highly volatile and unpredictable. Please pay close attention to market risk and trade. Thank you so much for joining my live stream. Now we'll discuss the main website, so you can see the beautiful images and the coin, Binance, PancakeSwap and Gate.io. Now we'll discuss the introducing of Forest. Forest protocol is the next gen automated market maker and on BNB chain that lets anyone launch playable tokens powering Crypto Champion. You light up the stream with your energy and charm. Always a joy to watch your life keep going. Thank you so much Crypto Champion for the beautiful compliment. Chain that lets anyone launch playable tokens are powering games and app memes and non-chain culture in minute. Launch once, loop forever. Playable tokens turn activity into value. Every swap, uh, play, and quest routes through forest to buy back and burn while depending liquidity. Tokens stop being promises and start as products on one day. Now you can see the beautiful images from the forest. Welcome ZKL, welcome Get User, welcome Tide. Token value via automatic buybacks and burns funded by trading fees and in-app revenue. Playable, instant shareable micro apps built with a few clicks that drive sessions, referrals, and spend. Liquidity, bots trapped with Forest, Peer, and Virtual LP live on AMM from Block 1. Momentum, welcome Sabisam. Uh, every play swap and quest routes through Forest, pools, and accelerates price discovery. Attention, real time buyback and burn counter schedule, airdrop, ambassador races, and meme ready movement. Now you can see the graph. Launchpad AMM. No bonding curve, no migration, just launch. Forest on the MMM, so new tokens trade with the real liquidity from block 1. Welcome Get User on my live stream. Virtual LP bootstrap pools, so creators need no upfront capital, no bonding curves, no LP moves, no dev buy caps, moving parts, no contract hops, and a predictions path. One contract, one click live. Campaign OS. Welcome Get User on my live stream. Thank you so much. Campaign OS lets anyone ship a playable token by attaching a standardized, fully customized micro app. Welcome Jessica Zara on my live stream. Attaching a standardized, fully customized micro app at launch, turning users' activity into distribution, automatic buybacks and burns. Welcome Pathan. Thank you so much for joining my live stream. Distribution and revenue flow to the token from one day. Universal playable layer, a customized micro app that attaches any token, launch in minutes across Forest, Forecaster, and Telegram. Welcome Than Boom, welcome Get User, welcome Temit, welcome CryptoSelf. How are you, CryptoSelf? Built-in flywheel, all at. Hello, my friend. Welcome, CryptoSelf. How are you? Computing value. Forest flywheel empowers every launch, peers every token, and captures the value of every action. Start in BNB, USDT, or any other token. It routes through and Forest, creating constant organic demand. Swap, burning, and growth buybacks. I'm good, and you? I'm also fine. CryptoSelf, Crypto Shadow, good to see you. Thank you, Crypto Champion. Thank you so much. Welcome Sam, welcome Get User. liquidity backbone. Looking value, all launches pair with forest in ecosystem and driving continuous deflation. Airdrops, stake to earn airdrop. Crypto Shadow, thank you so much, my friend. Welcome, welcome. Stake to earn of airdrop. CryptoZan. CryptoZan, you can see your friend come on my live stream. That's a good. All my three friends are come on my live stream. Crypto Champion, CryptoZan, and Crypto Self. That's a miracle. Uh, Routing layer. Every trade routes through forest, creating constant organic demand. For investor, compounding value engine. Every launch pairs routes through forest trading and app activity. Crypto Shadow, thank you. I'm grateful. Welcome, Crypto Self. Congratulations for your project. Thank you so much, CryptoZan. Compounding value engine. Every launch pairs and routes through forest trading and app activity and buy and burn, resulting in deflation and steady demand. Earn airdrop from flagship apps, games, memes, and all studios organizations. Earn airdrop from flagship apps, games, and organelles for developers. Instant action. Good broadcast here. Thank you, Crypto Champion. Forest backed pools, playable utilities, and daily airdrop P2A campaigns. Burn movement, every play swap triggers buybacks, burn creating and your vibe is unmatched. You speak so well, and your confidence shines through. So proud to see you growing. Thank you so much, Crypto Champion, for the beautiful compliment. Uh, Play swap triggers. Buybacks burns, creating scarcity and narrative fuels. Now we discuss for traders. Welcome, get user. Welcome, good luck, and welcome, Stosh. Launch in minutes. One click launch your playable you. Welcome you on my live stream. Welcome, get user. Crypto Champion. Why are you laughing, Crypto Champion? Welcome, Lorong. One click launch your playable token for free, no upfront LP. Crypto Champion, every time you go live, it's like vibe only. You are doing great, fun, friendly, and full of energy. Thank you, Crypto Champion, for your beautiful compliments. Thank you so much. No upfront LP, fully customized crypto profit strategy research. Joining my live stream. Crypto Self, Crypto Champion. and connect with the existing game apps and web pages. Built-in growth campaign OS and Quest referrals airdrop convert user activity into distributions and revenue. Or now you look at this is a team and advisors, our dedicated team of experts and advisors backing the Forest ecosystem, in which some CEO and co-founder and App Store, free launch capital. Now you can look the beautiful images. Now we discuss the white paper. What happened, Crypto Champion? Welcome to the Forest Protocol. We believe tokens are the product and apps. Welcome CryptoZan again. We believe tokens are the product or apps are the utility. Playable tokens turn attention into on-chain value and make flywheels by design, not by chance. Dive in to learn more. What is the Forest Protocol? Crypto Champion, you have a natural talent for streaming. Your smile, positivity, and traction make everyone's session so worth watching. Thank you so much, Crypto Champion. What happened, Crypto Zan? What is the Forest Protocol? Uh, Forest Protocol is the next generation launchpad and built to unleash a new era of creativity. You hurt me. Crypto Zen, Crypto Champion, you hurt me. built to unleash a new era of creativity of BNB chain, and in just minutes anyone can create a launch play. Why you hurt you, Crypto Zen? Who? Built to unleash a new era of creativity of BNB. Yes, I heard you. Welcome Pathan, welcome VK Wong. And playable tokens, unique interactive assets that power viral games. And इस बंदे ने हार्ट किया मुझे. Grab a gift coin. Welcome get user on my live stream. Playable tokens, unique interactive assets that power up viral games, adaptive apps, and culture shaping memes or entirely new digital experience. With Forest Protocol, creators tap into instantly liquidity, seamless market access, and a global community ready to trade and separate अभियान. You heard इसलिए क्योंकि आप लाइव पे नहीं आते हैं. That's great, Crypto Champion. You're saying great. Moaz bin Mehdi, welcome on my live stream. भाई आप सुनते रहते हैं, आप लाइव पर आते नहीं है किसी की. आज ये आपका प्रोजेक्ट था तो आप नज़र आ रहे हैं दिन में. मैंने आना भी नहीं है. बस ये देख लो, आप लड़कियां मंगवा रहे थे ना, आपकी लाइफ में लड़के भी नहीं आया करेंगे. Why did we build it? In Web3, the real game is not polished apps endless. It tokens that capture lightning in a bottle and give everyone a fair shoot. Crypto self, no need to make indirect remark, friend. If there are problem, just say it directly. What happened, Crypto self? What are you saying? it tokens that capture lightning a portal and give everyone cryptos, and that's a not fair. Why you're laughing, bro? uh, Launchpads like Pump Fun and Virtuals is proved it. The token is a product that they demonstrated. No need anyone, bro. Keep yourself. I don't know what the problem is. I even tried to reach Zan to resolve it, but since I was not given his contact info, I could not. I am honestly asking what exactly is the problem. बताओ ना इसको क्या इसको ट्रैक बताओ तो क्या मसला है इसको बताओ ना ट्रैक क्या मसला है इसके साथ इतना बड़ा उसने कम नहीं किया है By the time they built, attention has moved on, distribution and engagement are king. The old mindset says games are the product that's backward tokens are the core. Welcome Discovery, my friend. How are you? Thank you so much for joining my live stream. No any problem, my dear. They creation and slash time to market, but games and apps are still stuck. मुझे किसी की ज़रूरत नहीं आई समझ stuck with old ways with the launches that are not fair and aligned with tokens holders by the time they are built. Attention has moved on, and distributions and engagement are king. Uh, the odd mindset says games are the product. Say hi Discovery if you're present on my live stream. Why you say problem design? It does not look like that from here. That's why you say we have problem. Yeah, please keep a champion, keep us on resolve this matter. It's too much, bro. By the time they are built, attention has moved on, distributions and engagement are king. Cryptos and honeybee and feed value back into a token, creating a compounding flywheel. Future gaming and app tokens will be native to Web3, built around hyper incentive where risk is real and crypto champion. I don't know. It seems obvious there is. Crypto self, not anyone else have a problem there. Empty Carol. Welcome. I do not know. It seems obvious there is. Obvious पता नहीं क्या देख check करो and feed value back into the token, creating a compounding flywheel. Future gaming and app tokens will be native to Web3, built around hyper financials incentive where risk is real and rewards are massive. Users are not here for casual play; they are here to take part. Foras protocol makes this flywheel real. Welcome, Satosh. Uh, Campaign OS launch playable tokens and their flywheels in minutes with the orchestrations for growth, distribution, revenue, and retention. We talk about many problems. With the Launchpad AMM native liquidity that powers the aligns incentives and keep value circulating. Turn ideas into tokens instantly and build ecosystem where engagement fuels value and value fuels growth. Yeah, bro, you are right. Just enjoy the live. Keep yourself, please. This is my first project, and please compromise features. Campaign OS. What if tokens could be playable? Campaign OS is the engine that turns any tokens into a working product. It lets you build airdrop, quest, referrals, taking risks to earn games and And product it lets you please full the sentence complete, brother Kiptazan. What are you saying? Half sentence is very dangerous. And all bundled into a single lightweight HTMLS and app directly attached to the token. Don't forget you hurt me. With campaigns, anyone can launch a playable token in minutes. Choose from ready made templates or connect your own app or game via API. The result is an instantly shareable mini app that users can play, trade, and earn from right at launch. Automatically deployed on Forest Protocol open to be expanded to Telegram. Discovery, welcome Discovery on my live stream. Crypto Champion, you come and I hurt you more. Okay, okay, hello everyone, welcome Discovery, welcome. So happy, so happy you could join me there. And playable tokens are live on day, risk games, and play mini games to web browser. Quest team, leaderboards, refer, how are you all? Fox, how are you are Fox? Fox, Fox, uh, playable tokens are framers for limitless probabilities and campaign. Campaign events helps teams launch faster, capture attention, and build engaged communities from day zero. Thank you, Crypto Family. Thank you, Discovery. Thanks, Rockstar. Campaign OS help teams and war stake, pre-sales, and much more. Playable tokens. Campaign OS help teams launch faster, capture attention, and build engaged communities from zero. Discovery, Alhamdulillah. How about you? Uh, as app grow, fees and revenue automatically routed into buybacks and funds, and tightening supply, boosting narrative, and reinforcing value. Welcome, get user, Launchpad and AMM. What up, beautiful. No bonding curve to migration, just launch. Most Launchpad rely on bonding curves or delayed LP migration to simulate liquidity, adding friction and snipping risk and limiting early spot. What happened, CryptoZan? Why are you red? Oh, you hurt? Because Forest was the AMM tokens launched. I am good. My dear, forward shoe. Immediately tradable on real on-chain liquidity. And no bonding curves on no LP migration and no TWA buy caps. Every launch includes a virtual liquidity layer. Wow, it's so nice to see everyone together. Oh yeah, that's a miracle discovery. Everyone together on my live stream. That's a great. All old friends are common. That's a miracle. On the technical side, the means favor moving volume. On the technical side, the means favor moving parts, no contract hop, and a more predictable launch path. And all liquidity is paired Forester, reinforcing the protocol value loop Nothing leaks out. Every swap, every fee, and everyone flow back into the forest flywheel. Flywheel. Attention, revenue, value, all of it should flow back. Automated buybacks, and every interaction, every flip quest, stake, or spend becomes a trigger that fuels price auction and burn supply. Users engage and revenue flows, the token gets bought, burned, and unbound crypto discovery. And mechanic built in a via campaign OS. No manual treasury games or app. No fake emissions. Just token that grow with usage and capture their own narrative. Where are you going, Crypto Champion? After a long time, we all fun together on one line stream. Where are you going? We exist to power tokens, not punish them. They give creators the fuels of the grow early ideas into real ecosystem. With Forest Protocol trading, oh enjoy raining. That's a great. The generate them creators earn a shareholders benefit from buybacks and the protocol compounds value across the board. More volume means more capital to build, reward, and scale with incentive fully aligned with between teams and token holders. What is the forest? Forest is the afterthought, it's the engine. Welcome get user, welcome Kaya. Liquidity backbone, every token launched on Forest pair with Forest, the design looks value inside the ecosystem and creates continuous deflationary pressure as new token go live and more liquidity is seeded. Routing layer, just like ETH, anchors its chain forest and every trade routes through forest whether users are entering from BNB and existing and stable coins creating constant demand and making forest of the heartbeat of the protocol. Welcome crypto king dollar, welcome cat user, welcome queen, stake to shape. Staking for us give you seeds what as crowded token scaled by lookup holding seeds unlock. Boost tokens with protocols fees airdrop from Chalkshucker and airdrop from studio partner studio and creators on the platform. Governance right to shape protocol direction and allocate ecosystem grants. This is not passive staking, it's a committed ownership in the infrastructure layer of a new token economy. I see last session on night. What happened crypto champion on last session? Can you explain? Okay. Unlimited part of. Okay. This is not passive staking, it's a committed ownership in the infrastructure layer of a new token economy. Every launch forest, every trade fuels, every holder helps shape. Now we are directing this movie and it will be the way we want. Who are the hero of this movie? And who are the villain of this movie? And every launch strength forest, every trade fuels it, every holder helps shape what comes next. And it's just not a token, it's a protocol. Discovery season till no need anyone. Season name no need anyone. Great. Every token launched on Forest and making it default base layer for swaps. This means that every trade, whether it start BNB, just a movie that has not even been released yet. When when apps and game haha don't claim you missed a movie that has not even been released yet. Is this movie called War of the Gods? Gods. Okay. The design means every launch, every user action, and every dollar of engagement drive forest demand and reduces supply. On top of that, protocol fee from all trading activity and recycled into automated buybacks and burns forest. The loop and compounding its as forest grow, so does the value of the entire ecosystem, reinforcing every token built on top of it. Thank you so much for joining my live stream. Thank you so much for joining my live stream. Thank you so much for joining my live stream. Thank you, Crypto Champion. Thank you, Crypto Zan. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for joining my live stream. Thank you, all of you. First, for trading pool rules. During the event, forget all the character in your mind. You can't even imagine the actors and characters. Main character is Crypto Discovery. We are the lead role. During the event, user with the cumulative forest spot trading volume 500 USDT will receive candy reward and share the 1.200 forest pool. Okay, CryptoZan. Uh, mm, it's a difficult, bro. I'm some work after the stream. A candy drop reward share the 1.200 pool. Each user can earn up 17 candies with a maximum of 5.00 per person. Reward rules are as follows. Time. Forest trading volume 5.00 USDT 1 candy and forest trading volume 1.00 USDT 2 candies. And please tell me who is the villain of this movie, Crypto Champion. Please mention the villain in this movie. Forest Trading Volume 3.00 USDT 5 candies. Crypto Champion. Oh, I know you like it. Forest Trading Volume 7.00 USDT and 9 candies. Dharma Singh. Dharam Singh. Should we hold or sell? Project Introduction. We have no problem with the main role. What's important is laughing and having fun. But here the thing, I'm tracking the game, baby. Forest Protocol is a launchpad and enabling creators to launch playable tokens, instantly deployable mini app with built-in flywheels, built by a team with 10 plus year and of experience in gaming and apps, and supported by a wide network of partner studios. Forest Protocol is set up to become a powerhouse of publishing. Uqueen, welcome Uqueen. Uh, Supported a wide network of partner studio. Forest Protocol is set to become a powerhouse of publishing. Alongside its permissionless launchpad, it will bring the best product and game. Teams fully on chain. Let the show begin with fireworks. Participants must click the join button to event page. After successfully joining the event, they must complete the event. कैसी हैं आप कैसी हैं आप यूपी काया uh, Forest Protocol is launchpad and enabling creators discovery. She's come to give attention to you again. That's a nice. I also thought there would not be a problem. I also thought. Sadly, yeah. Sorry, guys. I had take a break for the respect of Adhan. Thank you your patience. Thank you so much. Project introduction. Forest Protocol is a launchpad AMM and enabling creators launch playback tokens instantly deployable mini apps. Good live stream for current market and other. I am happy for all. Mohangi. Thank you so much, Mohangi. Look, I'm getting angry again. Don't say baby flan. Built by a team with 10 plus years experience in gaming and apps and supported by a wide network of partner studio Forest. Protocol is set to become a you pay attention to my dear and a network of partner studio Forest. Protocol is set to become a powerhouse of publishing alongside its permissionless launchpad. It will bring the best product and game teams. You can come. Alongside its permissionless launchpad, it will bring the best product and game team fully on chain. Token Forest official website. Participants must click the join now button on the event page. Thank you so much, my crypto family and crypto self, crypto discovery, and also you queen. Thank you so much on come on my live stream. After successfully joining the event, they must complete the event task and identity verification to receive the rewards. Number two, reward will be distributed to users' account within 14 working days after the end of the event. And number three, it's strictly prohibited to register multiple small accounts, engage in malicious wash trading, self buying, and self selling, or any other cheating behavior. Multiple accounts of the same verified user will be considered the same account. Thank you so much for joining my live stream. Thank you, all of you. It's strictly prohibited to register multiple small account and engage in malicious wash trading, self buying, and self selling, or any other cheating behavior. Multiple account of the same verified user will be considered the same account. Sub accounts sub are not allowed to participate in activities. For markets, market makers, enterprises, and institutions are not allowed to participate in this event. Agent account cannot participate in friend invitations type activities, while other activities are unrestricted. Number 5, in case of any discrepancies between the translated account, agents cannot participate in friend invitation type activity, while other activities in unrestricted. Number 5, in case of discrepancies between the translated VN and English VN, the shall prevail. forcefully took my baby away from me. Agent or GAT has the final interpretation right for the event. Number 7, user restricted areas cannot access all or part of the services, including participants in the event. In the event of the services, game, or competition. For more information about restricted areas, please read user agreement. Welcome CryptoZan again. Welcome Get User. Welcome Explore the. Welcome Murad, Sultan Murad. Amazing name. Baby Shark doo doo doo. Baby Shark doo doo doo. Okay, okay. No one can interfere with me. Oh, okay. Exivin, welcome Exivin on my live stream. Thank you all of you for joining my live stream. Thank you so much, my crypto family, my friend Crypto Self and Discovery. Thank you so much. Hello, my friend Reddy Schools. Welcome, Reddy Schools. How are you? It's great to see you. Present baby shop to do. User restricted, no need, my dear. Uh, User is restricted areas cannot access all or the part of the services, including participating in this event and game or competition. For more information about restricted areas discovery, I have to make you a champion. You are managing so well. That's what he said. Number 8, risk warning. Users must play. Oh Nariye, oh Gushe Nariye, tag ja. Risk warning. Users must pay attention to the fact that virtual currency trading is affected by various factors such as the market and policies. The market is highly volatile and price fluctuations are difficult to predict. Please be sure to pay attention to market risk and trade cautiously. CryptoZan, tell her your Turkish crushes from the season 3. You know that aunt. And thank you so much CryptoZan. Thank you so much Discovery. सपने तो सपने होते हैं. ऐसे ही है. VIP my bro. CryptoZan VIP 18. Come on my live stream. If you know, you know. You remember this season 3 CryptoZan? You remember? Discovery again joining my live stream. Welcome Discovery again. Cholpan Khatun. Yeah, you remembered. Cholpan Khatun. That's a very beautiful, bro. She's a very beautiful, and I followed him. Get user, welcome Get User on my live stream. Thank you so much all of you for joining my live stream. Gate team September 1 2025, gate away to crypto, trade over 3.500 cryptocurrencies, safe, quickly and easily on gate. कैसे भूल सकता हूँ उसको, भाई बोलने वाली चीज़ भी नहीं है वो अभी भी मेरी फीड में आती है. Take action now, sign up and claim up to 1.000. Welcome. An actor cannot direct the director. I am the director here, baby. Sign up and claim up to 1.000 in welcome rewards and invite friend and earn 40% commission. Stay connected. Visit Gate official website. Download the Gate app. Desktop. Follow us on Twitter to get more bonuses. Join our Telegram community to discuss the trending topics. Engage with our global community for latest insights. Welcome Exivin. Hello Exivin, welcome. Discovery, you watched Artugul season? Oh, that's a great season, CryptoZan. What's amazing season? Also Usman is a very great season. That's join our Telegram community to discuss the trending topic. Engage with our global community for the latest insights, transparency, and security. Check our 100% proof of reserve. Release Arthurul. Yeah, Cryptosaf, release Arthurul. What a wonderful season. What a emotional and what a amazing season. I know. I'm my whole life. Tun, tun. Thank you so much for joining my live stream. I'm very big fan. Uh, so this is a time to saying goodbye. So before saying goodbye, we discuss the highlights of the project. First, we have discussed the first main page of the website. Then we go to the main launch pool of the website. Anjan Altan, my male favorite actor. I like comedies of romantic dramas. And then we discuss the main launch pool of the website. And so thank you so much for joining my live stream and supporting me, my crypto family, and my friends. And thank you Discovery and CryptoCell for joining my live stream. Murat or Hayat. Okay, Allah Hafiz. Tomorrow we will meet with our new topic. Thank you so much. Stop. Yes, recording साथ